Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a slightly different haul. It's going to be an Amazon haul, and I've just been doing a fair bit of shopping on Amazon recently, and there are a few things that I am just obsessed with, and I thought I would share them with you for something a little bit different. So I hope you do enjoy today's video. If you do, please do give it a thumbs up, and I will link everything in the description box below for you in case there's something that you feel like you need. I've got a mix of homeware, beauty, storage, baby, a little bit of a mixture of different things. So let's get started. Okay, I have been influenced to buy one of these headbands. These are the viral headbands that we are just seeing everywhere at the moment on social media. I love wearing a headband when I do my makeup, and also when I take my makeup off and wash my face. So I just had to pick this one up. I just thought it was such a cute colour. Love, love, love the pink. They do them in loads of other colours as well. So yeah, I just thought it was a really nice thing to, I mean, I normally just go like this, do my makeup, and we're good to go. So yeah, I wanted to pick one of these up because my headband is quite old and tatty. For the kitchen, I have picked up two of these hot drink mugs. And these are just gorgeous. This is the packaging for these ones. They are double walled latte glasses. Now, I don't drink coffee, so I will be having tea and hot chocolates and herbal teas, maybe matcha lattes in these. I am partial to a bit of a matcha in the afternoon now. They are thermally insulated air pocket construction, no need for coasters. The hot drinks stay hot inside and cold drinks stay cold inside, but you're not going to get kind of burnt hands or super cold hands. So really liked these, and of course they are very aesthetically pleasing as well. So for the kitchen, these are storage containers for the fridge, and okay, let's try and separate them. Basically, oh, I think I'm gonna need a pair of scissors or something. Okay, I'm gonna need a pair of scissors for these, but for now, what you do is you slide them onto your shelves in your fridge, and they basically create extra storage, which I thought would be great for things like cheese, tomatoes, salady bits, anything that you want to just pop in its own little compartment that sits underneath the shelves and creates kind of an additional layer in your fridge. Amazing. So I thought I would test them out. I have only got two to begin with. They do also come in a pack of 4 if you wanted 4 of them, but I thought they were just such a good idea, and because they're like a plasticky and really easy to clean, quite neutral colour, I thought they would just work really nicely and go really easily in the fridge. I've picked up one of these really cute, beautiful candles. It's these kind of square cube, like bobbly design. I didn't realise that this was going to be quite as scented as it is. It's really scented, smells lovely. It was a bit like getting out one of those Russian dolls with the amount of boxes and packaging for it. But I thought this would look really nice actually, just on my side kind of dressed area here that I used to film, and it can just sit on there like that. I thought it was really lovely, and it's probably a candle that I'm not gonna light. It's just for aesthetics, but I just thought it was really lovely, and an added bonus is it smells really nice too. As someone who wears makeup pretty much every single day, I am ashamed to admit, I need to regularly clean my brushes. So I picked up this little tiny gadget. It is basically a brush cleaning mat that has sticky bits on the back here, the suction cups, that you can suction on to the inside of your sink and then wash your brushes like that in the sink. I think this is genius. It takes up no room. You don't have to have a big old box or potions or lotions or any of that to clean your brushes. It is just perfect. You can stick it onto your sink, you can brush your brushes and clean them, and then you are good to go, and it takes up no room, and it was super affordable as well. Now, speaking of candles, I picked up a candles accessories kit which contains a wick trimmer, a wick dipper, and a wick snuffer. Did you know there were so many things? I did not. So basically, well, one I thought, oh, it's like a bell. One, I thought they looked really nice, but I burn candles a lot and I tend to kill my candles, which is very hard to do, but I leave them in the bath and they get wet. I ruin them by letting them burn too much and I can't get the wick out. Basically, put it over the wick when it's burning and it puts the candle out for you without blowing it everywhere and getting kind of, what's the word, soot everywhere. Then you can also trim it with these handy scissors. So I have gone for black ones. They do come in lots of different colours as well, this set. But I've gone for this one. Go in, trim the wick and maintain it. And then what was the other thing? A wick dipper. I'm guessing this is where you kind of dig in and go in and make the wick a bit longer. I'm not entirely sure. Could be totally making that up. But I thought that was a nice little set to have. Something to look after my candles, especially when you spend a fortune on candles. I thought this would just be a lovely set. Also makes quite a good gift set as well, I think. As a new mum who rarely gets to finish a whole cup of tea, I thought this would also be something handy to have. It is a Thermo Cafe by Thermos mug. Now, I'm guessing, yeah, pretty much just fits a decent sized cup of tea. It's 450 mils, so that is quite a decent sized cup of tea actually. And obviously it will keep it warm until you finish it, which is just great in today's world that I live in. So yeah, picked up one of these. Also really liked this lovely sage greeny colour. It does come in other colours as well, but that colour was just for me. I also picked up some little plastic storage tubs like these. They come in a set of 3 like this, so I've got 3 of these, and I thought these would be great little organisers for the bathroom. So I'm thinking Q-tips, I'm thinking makeup remover pads, any little knickknacks that are in an uglier box. They have a nice kind of airtight sealed lid as well. Anything that's in an uglier box or ugly packaging or is just kind of laying around, hairbands, things like that, I thought they could go in these little tubs and that would just look a bit more aesthetically pleasing on the counter. I pretty much can't go on Amazon these days without buying something for my son. So as he is approaching 8 months old now, I've got him some soft building blocks. You can hear him in the background. Sorry. And they are these plasticky, squidgy, teething babies blocks that sit together. They're in really nice pastel colours, and I thought these would just be something that he would love to play with. And that is everything that I've picked up from Amazon in today's haul. I hope you've enjoyed it. As I say, something a little bit different, but I have been picking up a few pieces for me, and I thought, oh, maybe you guys might like to see what I have picked up as well. So if you have enjoyed today's video, please do give it a big old thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please feel free to hit that subscribe button for new videos from me every single week, and I will see you really, really soon for the next one.